Hello friends, good morning and welcome to this new video of Easy English Jabalpur channel. We will talk about a very nice preposition today. It is off, O-F-F, off. It means or it expresses the idea away from. When there is no contact between object and person, we can use this preposition. Let's see some examples which will help you out to understand this preposition nicely. Let's take this example. He jumped off the train. That means a person has jumped off the train. Now there is no contact between train and person. There is a distance between both of them. Now let's take some other example. She pushed the books off the table. That means now there is no contact between books and table. She has removed all the books from the table. Similarly, you can use it in adverb also. You can say that grass is newly sown, keep off. Here we are asking someone to just get away from grass. Don't walk over it. You can use it with contrast on also. Don't take your coat off. It is very cold. Keep it on. That means we are asking someone to just put on their coat. Don't put off it because it is very cold. Now let's see some idiomatic expressions also with off, O-F-F, off. Like we can say, my friend is well off. Well off means he is very rich person. Or I am well off. That means I am very rich person. Let's take some other example. You can say that I visit my grandmother off and on. That means I can say or I can see, I go and see my grandmother occasionally or every week, something like that. Now let's see this very interesting example. I can't answer your questions offhand. That means I can't answer your questions immediately. If you want to get answer of your questions, you can write down on your comment section. Definitely I will get back to you with interesting information regarding your questions and I will clear your doubts also. Thanks a lot friends for watching this video. Have a nice day.